So communication din, importante.
And Cepeda sending it over, but bantay na bantay. Si Althea and Cordora. Siyempre, kung sino punta sa UE is of course Sky Cepeda. As we take a look at the defensive block brought to you by AIA, formerly Philam Life.
Yes,
Kasi kung magra-rally sila, ang lakas ng UST with their blocking also.
And the attacking. Ayan,
and the attacking.
exactly that. Althea has been attempting that running spike as her third attempt, finally getting a point.
At Duncan Spike of the set brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan.
May pasalubong ka.
Oo, Kyla Cordora is often compared to Angge-Poyo. Sa nakikita mo nga na same approach and same leaping ability.
Yes.
Uy! Saradong-sarado ang blocking ngayon ng UST.
3 points sila parehas. Kay Ako, Poyos, and Althea.
Good distribution also.